Hi, today I'm here to present my English recette. It is an original Macedonian. First of all, you have to wash the fruit like the apple or cut the other fruits like the kiwi or the banana. When we have all the fruits in order, the kiwis, the apples, the bananas, the watermelon, we have to start to make the form of the Macedonian. And now let's start to make the Macedonian. We have all the fruit cut. To make the Macedonian, we start to put the fruit with a base, like this. And it's very simple. We have to do the same 3 times. If you can see, the Macedonian is so pretty, but is it not finished? And finally, the Macedonian is finishing. If you can see, it's very pretty and it's so beautiful, and I have a lot of hungry to eat this. Oh, I forgot to say that the decoration is very important in a Macedonian, and my decoration is 2 berries. This is for you.
Wow. Delicious.
Oh, and here I finish my exposition. Bye.